Where'd they come from? I'm guessing her name must be Hannah, since the tag says Hannah Van. Hannah Van. I should take off and leave rolling. Here he comes. I thought he was still stuck behind that van. I was thinking that'd be funny. Put a couple miles between us. Then come up behind him. Some of us have a morbid sense of humor. Yeah. Well, I'm guessing all the tourists are out and they're up and awake now. Sounds like there's shifts available at the Amazon.
Hey.
There it is. I got my text message in my email. This guy's got him a Ram Bighorn. He is uppity. I'll tell you what. He got his dumbass cousin with his boots hanging out the window on top of the rear view mirror. Got his cloth interior so his kids can get the boogers all over it. He is blessed. He just couldn't pay that extra couple dollars for the Laramie. I can't tell where he's from. He's not from here. He is from Michigan. That is a Michigan tag. That's what it looks like. And there is a bump in this curve. Oh, the tourists are out in force now. Well, we had a good clean ride this morning. Where are these fun folks from? Oh, look, they're from North Carolina. They even have a Pisgah tag. All right, anybody want to go to Maggie Valley? Maggie Valley? Maggie Valley? Nobody? All right, Cherokee? Cherokee? Want to come in the back way of Cherokee? Nope. Nope. Nobody? Nobody? All right. Well, we'll just stay on this road. This road is a lot more fun than 19. Trust me on that one. Or not. I don't care. Oh, they're going to Cherokee. They must not realize that this way is probably faster for them. Wow. That is how you turn. That is how you make a turn. Crazy.